I mean, he guys were making fun of him that he was faking that he was sick.
The trainer comes in and says, Dirk's sick. Sick? What do you got? Like, we got the flu. Oh, I said, oh, no.
Wade and LeBron coughing. Dwyane said that that was a real cough, by the way.
Well, I just thought it was a little childish, a little ignorant. It's not going to add anything extra to me. This is the NBA Finals. If you need an extra motivation, you have a problem.